Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Yes, a bad fuel injector can indeed cause a cylinder 3 misfire. When a fuel injector is clogged, leaking, or not functioning properly, it fails to deliver the correct amount of fuel to the corresponding cylinder, leading to misfires. Symptoms include rough idling, decreased power, and increased fuel consumption. It's crucial to diagnose and fix the issue promptly to prevent further engine damage. Regular maintenance and cleaning of fuel injectors can help avoid such problems.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.